Hey y'all, so I'm outside today. We're having our last 85-ish degree day. By tomorrow we'll be in the 40s and probably all my flowers are going to be gone. So I'm going to take one last nice video out here because we don't know what the rest of the year is going to look like. This video is going to be quite a bit off topic from the normal remodeling or chickens or gardening, whatever. But today I want to discuss our YouTube channel and how much we make as small YouTubers, because there seems to be a huge misconception about how much you make as a small YouTuber. Now, depending on your niche, everyone does not make the same amount of money just because they're a YouTuber. Some niches make more than what we make per view, and some niches will make less than what we make per view. So just because I make this amount of money doesn't mean that channel over there makes that amount of money, if you understand what I'm saying. We are not a how-to-do YouTube channel. We are a homesteading, gardening, remodeling channel. So don't subscribe to my channel because of this video, because you think I'm going to teach you how to do YouTube, because I am not a YouTube guru. I am very much an amateur. So I have my stats written down on a piece of paper, and to date we have 457 videos and 2,332 subscribers that we are very grateful for. Now, 67.8% of our subscribers are in the US, 4.1% are in Canada, 3% in India, and the rest kind of trickles down to smaller percentages. Now, for the entire year I set the parameters for an entire 365 days. We have made $901.30. And here's a little thing some of you may not know. So every month, if you don't make at least $100, you do not get a payout to your AdSense. You'll get it the next month. You won't get it until you have a total of $100. So if it takes you 6 months to get $100, then it'll be 6 months before you get a payout from AdSense. Luckily for us, we make at least $100 a month, so we do get a monthly payout. Now here's the amounts that we've made per month for the last 6 months. So for May, we made $82.57, which means we didn't get a payout that month. For June, we made $206.36, so that combined with May, we got a payout. July, we had $150.77, so we got a payout. August, $128.16. September, $110.07. And so far in October, we are up to $99.22. So as you can see, the monthly amount that we make is not an amount that any American could live on. My mortgage is $900. My last light bill was $400. That alone is, I had to add that up, $1,300. And that's not including groceries or anything else. That's just my mortgage and my light bill. So you can imagine how much money it takes per month to live in America. And $100 a month isn't going to cut it. $100 a month will pay my internet bill, so that's a good thing. I'm not saying I'm not grateful for how much money that we make on YouTube. Don't put words in my mouth, because somebody in the comment section is going to say you should be grateful you make anything because you have a YouTube channel. And that's another misconception. It doesn't cost any money to have a YouTube channel. They don't charge you a monthly fee. Now, certain music that you use, you do have to pay for. And then they have free music that you can use as well. You can't just pick any song out there and do that as your music. That's another misconception. They're like, I don't like that music. Well, we're very, very limited as to what music we can put on our videos and not get demonetized or have our YouTube channel shut down altogether. So you take what we've made, you subtract what it costs to pay for certain music, and that decreases our revenue even more. But it doesn't cost you any money just to have a YouTube channel. So I can upload videos for free. My editing software is free. There's some animation that I pay for that you don't have to pay for. I didn't pay for the first year. I'm trying to think of all of the expenses that I have. But you can use your phone to make YouTube videos. I didn't have a tripod for my first year. I didn't have the little clip thing that hangs above my kitchen counter so I can do cooking videos. I didn't have that. Some people have $1,000 cameras. Some people use their cell phone. Some people have very expensive cameras. So don't assume that just because someone has a YouTube channel that they have a lot of money invested in it, because you can do a YouTube channel for a very low cost. But I've had some comments tell me that that I must have a lot of money because I have a YouTube channel. No. Let's just clear that misconception up right now. So most of our income comes from our YouTube revenue comes from watching ads. You guys that watch the ads, that puts money into our account. If you skip the ads or you don't watch the ads, that takes away money from us. But I can't force you to watch the ads, but I can tell you we're very grateful if you do watch the ads. And $1.72 of our income this month was from YouTube Premium people. They pay a monthly subscription, so they don't have to watch ads, and we get a small portion of that. Now, in YouTube Studio, you can see which videos are making you how much money each video is making you, and I'll put a screenshot up of that. And you can see that, for example, the how to cut and install blinds video is our biggest income producer at what was it? I'm not even looking at it right now. $18 a month on average. But anyway, that's just an example of what some of our videos made us this month, and some of the videos made as low as a penny for the month. So just because you have a video out there doesn't mean you're making $10 a video or 10,000 or $10 a video. It's just it all comes down to how many views you have, because like my RPM is $6, like a little over $6 for like every 1,000 views or something. It's very low. I know there are financial channels that make a lot more money per 1,000 views, but we're just one of those, lower homesteading channels. So anyway, that was just to give you guys a quick glimpse into how much we make as a very small YouTube channel. As we continue to grow, of course, our income will continue to go up. Is this an income that we can rely on to live off of and quit our day jobs? Absolutely not. But it provides some gas money. It provides us some money so we can give back to others. It provides money so we can have giveaways that we sometimes do every couple of months. So I will say, though, that one of the perks of having a YouTube channel is that people contact you wanting to send you something for free in exchange for a review on your channel. Most of the time we turn them down because the product doesn't have anything to do with our channel, or it's something that we just don't believe in and we don't believe we can promote honestly. So there's that as well, which technically is factored as part of our income when we do accept the deal, which, like I said, we usually turn down most of them. So if you're thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, I just want you to know about what you can expect as a small YouTuber. We've been doing it for 2 years now. I know people who've been doing it twice as long and don't even make as much money as we make, which is very little. But it does give you an idea. If you watch all the other videos of people talking about how much money they make from YouTube, it will give you an idea of how much you can expect to make if you start a video. And if your video is in my niche, the homesteading, gardening, cooking type niche, then you can expect similar results. I don't have any other channels, so I can't answer that question. I can just tell you what our current experience is, and I know that the little graph that they show is like income down, income up. It's like a so I'm just happy if we make at least $100 a month to pay my internet bill. So anyway, there you have it. Little TMI for some of you, and I know you're going to say it in the comment section, and you shouldn't tell people how much money you make, but this is a very common practice on YouTube so that people kind of know how YouTube works. And we're all about being helpful and DIY stuff, and YouTube itself is a big DIY, you know. So if you're considering becoming a YouTuber, I say go for it and see what happens, but don't expect to be quitting your day job in the first month. Be patient, and as they say, build it and they will come, because that's what we're doing. We're building a channel as well as building our house, so hopefully it's entertaining to some people. You guys have a good week, and thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next video.